Today we're going to do a rice test between a Eureka Maxima Bagless from the Goodwill. It's $3.99. I gave it a thorough cleaning. It works alright. Also at the Goodwill I found this Hoover Concept 1 from '89. It's the single power with the power surge option. Non-self-propelled, pretty basic, brand new bag. This has nothing in it. I just vacuumed the floor and I put some rice down. We're going to see which one does better, picks up faster. So, enjoy. And this one's auto adjust. So. I'd say she did pretty well. It took about 6 passes. I don't see anything here on the surface. So, on to the Hoover. As you can tell, the Hoover is much louder, but it's also 21 years old, whereas this is maybe 2 years old. This one does have the power surge. Notice when I push it down all the way, it'll give it extra power, but you have to hold it down because it doesn't have 2-speed motor. It just has the power surge. Some pros and cons of both. This one, I like the color of it, the baby blue with the dark blue. And I also really like the cord rewind. The bagless feature is alright. I kind of prefer bagged units for the filtration, even though this one has pretty good filtration. Cons of this one has this huge tube here, and some of the dirt gets stuck in all the ribs. So every time you turn it on, you get some leftover dirt from the last time, which makes it look like you picked up more than you really did. This one's cons is really, really, really heavy. I like this vacuum. It's got the Quadriflex brush roll. It beats as it sweeps as it cleans, they say. But I'd have to say they're pretty evenly matched.